We're about to embark on a roads policing campaign that will last for the entirety of the summer. And we'll see officers out and about across Staffordshire, focusing on trying to make the roads a safer place for everybody in the county. We'll be focusing mainly on engagement with drivers, seeking to educate drivers about the manner in which they drive and how they can keep safer on the roads throughout this period. Sadly, it may be on occasions that we have to resort to enforcement activity where messages aren't adhered to, or where the standard or manner of driving is deemed to be unsafe, and enforcement is our only recourse to try and rectify the problems that we're identifying. Sadly, in Staffordshire this year, we've had 37 collisions that have involved death or serious injury, and 22 people on the roads of Staffordshire have lost their lives throughout 2023. Many of these collisions were avoidable. Many of these collisions had factors that, if affected, would significantly have changed the outcomes of these collisions. What the focus of the campaign will be around is primarily around prevention. What we're looking to do is to try and inform drivers around the manner of their driving. We're taking a fairly unique step in terms of advertising locations that safety camera vans will be deployed around the county. This will inform drivers and give them information around critical collision hotspots where people, if they address or change the manner in which they're driving or the speeds at which they're driving at, could have a significant impact on the severity of any collisions that may occur. We think it's an important step to take to identify these locations to members of the public, to allow them to adjust their driving. I take no pleasure in enforcing, putting points on people's licences, or fining people at a time where we understand that family budgets are adversely affected. The last thing some people need are fines that come as a result of an eminently avoidable road traffic prosecution.